Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to talk to you about something that is the definition of tiny but powerful. This is one of the tiniest car chargers I've ever reviewed, but yet the most powerful car charger I've ever reviewed. This is by a company called Iniu, and it is a car charger with a quick charge 3.0 USB charger and a PD Type-C charger. Now, if you don't know what PD means, PD stands for power delivery, and a PD Type-C can deliver a lot of power. This guy can deliver a total of 60 watts of power. So what does that mean for you? Well, that means if you have a device that is equipped with quick charge, fast charging, like a Samsung Galaxy device, that quick charge 3.0 USB port will get you that. You will get fast charging. But this Type-C PD charger can also get you not only fast charging for any device that supports it, but also super fast charging, including for, you can get fast charging on an iPhone, you can get super fast charging on a Samsung Galaxy phone, and this has enough power to charge a MacBook. Yeah, you heard that right. You can plug your MacBook into this car charger's Type-C port and charge your MacBook, which is awesome. In addition to that, it's tiny. It's so tiny. Once you plug this into your car charger port, it barely sticks out. It will add just a tiny, tiny bit on top of what was there already. That's it, because it doesn't take up a lot of space. So that's why I love it. It is very powerful. You can charge so many things with this, and yet it takes up almost zero space. The outside is a nice metal material, very solid. You know it's going to last and not going to overheat or anything. On the inside here, you've got a tiny little blue light around the USB port. So in the daytime, you can't even hardly see it. At night, it's just enough. Doesn't bother you, but just enough so that you can easily find the ports if you need to plug something in there. Really excellent product by Iniu. Again, tiny little charger, very tiny, but super powerful. Being able to fast charge any device that supports it through that quick charge 3.0 USB, as well as using that super powerful PD Type-C charger, which will support fast charging on a lot of devices, including being able to charge a MacBook while you're on the go, which is really awesome. Just a very simple but very excellent product by Iniu, and definitely if you're looking for a car charger, you can't go wrong with this one. It's definitely something I would highly recommend. Of course, it is available on Amazon, and I will have a link in the description below. You can click that link, jump over to Amazon, read what other people have said about it, and pick one up for yourself. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews, or go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Keep up with all my videos. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Anyway, that's going to be it. Until next time, so be safe and be happy.